everybody, it's Kelly, and I'm back with another layout today. And this layout really started with that floral paper. I've had that single sheet of floral paper for too long. It's from Jen Hadfield Reaching Out, and it's the Blossoms for You paper. And I got it as part of a Chamel stash kit, and it was one of the pieces of paper that she had put in the stash kit on Scrapbook.com. And I never used it in the month that it was, so I had it sitting out because I loved it, and I finally have used it. So I put that floral paper on a background of green paper. That green paper is from Lawn Fawn Spring Fling. It's a Christie paper. And then that gold check paper is that same Jen Hadfield Reaching Out Blossoms for You paper. It's just the back side. So I'm giving my photo there a little bit of a shelf to sit on. I did put a very, very thin blue background, blue matte background behind the photo from the Doodlebug Petite Prints Bubble Blue gingham and linen paper. I didn't want it to be very dark because I didn't want it to take over, but there is a lot of really pretty blue in this. I wanted to stay more with the golds and greens in here. So now I'm trying to find some kind of journaling card, and I'm looking through. Most of these are Ellie Studio journaling cards. Just plan. I like that pink journaling card there on the bottom with like almost the sprinkles there and the little white border, but the white border isn't enough room for me to journal on. So again, just kind of looking, and I'm not finding anything. So I'm playing around with that a little bit again, and it's the perfect color. Trying to decide if I want to add just a white one in there or what I'm going to do here. So I'm thinking maybe white, and then I can add washi tape or something to that to make it blend a little bit better. Thinking about using these labels from Ellie Studio. These are navy. Then I go back to that pink one again. Then to the white. Decide maybe the navy isn't the right color, and I find the green labels. And when I do that, and I'm inking here in my Tim Holtz vintage photo. I'm still not satisfied with what that journaling card is like. And you know what, you guys, I don't think I ever edged the outer. I never edged that floral paper in the ink, but that's okay. It looks fine. So what I decided to do ultimately is cut that white piece off of there, and I'm just going to journal on what's left of this pink square. So I'll put that down. Then I'll bring in this label from Ellie Studio. They put these out every couple of months in a color to work with whatever the kit is, and I usually get them just because they're so handy and they're nice sizes. So now I'm just going to play with these puffy hearts from Pebbles. They're from 2015, and I bought them at Tuesday Morning, so I don't think they're available anymore. Then I have this What's for Dinner banner, and that really has a lot to do with the story here. That What's for Dinner banner came from Ellie Studio Life Right Now stickers, and those were from 2020, I believe. Kind of looking, I'm thinking about maybe adding a different heart than that Pebbles heart was, but I'm not loving the hearts I'm finding. They feel kind of dark. Then I found this label sticker which says enjoying this. That is from Ellie Studio and New Day stickers, which are from 2020. And then I know I'm going to want something up there, so again I'm playing with some more of those Pebbles hearts. And then I find this geotag sticker that says love this, and that came from the Simple Stories Snap Life Documented Icon stickers, which are from 2014. It's about time I get those used up, but I do still have quite a few left. And changing out the Pebbles hearts again now because I put the geotag there. I found this I found these stickers. This is from one of the other 2 sticker sheets, but decided not to add that in. The background is so busy, I don't need to add a lot of embellishment, but some embellishment would be nice. So now I'm going to look for letter stickers for my title, and I'm thinking I want green. And I find these American Crafts glitter foam alpha, this glitter foam alpha in eclair, and the color is cucumber. So the title of this is going to be Shut Up and Drink, which sounds awful. And it's really kind of a funny story because my mom was heading back to Arizona. She had been staying with my sister and brother-in-law, and they live not too far from where I work. So I just went from work to their house, and I had told my mom to tell them not to worry about dinner or anything for me, that I was just going to say goodbye to her and then head home. Well, I got there, and they were all sitting in the background, and my mom and I were backyard. My mom and I were talking as I walked in, and my sister said, just shut up and let's drink. Well, she didn't mean it quite that way. Originally, they were going to take me to, they have a cidery near them where they do alcoholic cider. But COVID was a little bit high in their area at that point in time. So they just went and picked up some, and we sampled some ciders, which was really just, we had a little cider tasting and hung out. My brother-in-law made a really good pasta salad for dinner. So it actually turned out to be a really beautiful, warm summer evening. So you see the different we had little tasting like shot cups, and then they had put some ice in that Tupperware bowl to keep the cider cold. So, and then at the end, whatever our favorite was, we got to have a cup of that. That's what we ended up doing. So anyway, the title sounds just awful, but I was just writing down what my sister said. So very, very silly. All right, so that title is down now. Now I want to add some enamel dots to this just to kind of finish the layout off here. And I grabbed my Altenew enamel dots in Tropical Forest because they match the greens in here beautifully. So I'm just going to add 3 in each of the 2 clusters there. And then I will be all done. So I just love this paper. I'm so glad it's finally going in my book. All right, there's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you guys are all well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.